Welcome to DJ's Pressing Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mazda 3 2 litre petrol, finished in gleaming black. It's got the alloy wheels, some nice specification really for its age. Bodywork's in lovely condition, absolutely gleaming actually in this sun, as you can see. Rear parcel shelf, boot area is all lovely, seats are all nice in the back. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Just start the car up, 6-speed gearbox. Sounds lovely. It's done 98,587 miles. Got satellite navigation. Got communication for Bluetooth, entertainment media pack applications, all there. Air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel, centre armrest, aux and USBs. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.